Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, How to Log In. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Barclays account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser and your default search engine. Then search Barclays Login. Then go to the first result that shows up or go to bank.barclays.co.uk. You can log in either with your membership number, card number, or sort code and account number. Today we will be logging in with our membership number. Enter your last name, then enter your 12-digit membership number. To make login easier, you can click to remember my last name and login method, but I do not recommend you doing it in a public computer or a shared device. Then press continue. Then you should be able to access your Barclays bank account. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.